In 2025, Sender.net stands out as one of the most accessible and cost effective email marketing platforms available, especially for small businesses, bloggers, e commerce shops, and agencies that want to run professional campaigns without a steep learning curve. If you need a tool that helps you grow your subscriber list, design beautiful newsletters, automate follow ups, and track performance all from one dashboard, Sender.net is worth a serious look. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know from account setup and email design to advanced automation and analytics. Whether you're brand new to email marketing or switching from another platform, you'll see why Sender.net has become a go to solution for marketers who want simplicity without sacrificing power. For its key features and benefits, first is the account setup and contact management. Getting started on Sender.net is refreshingly quick. Once you create your account, you can immediately begin uploading contacts or creating sign up forms to start collecting new subscribers. You have the option to import your list via a CSV file, manually copy paste entries, or connect with third party tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Zapier. Once contacts are uploaded, Sender.net allows you to tag them, group them by custom fields, or segment them based on behavior, like which links they've clicked, whether they've opened past emails, or which product category they browsed. You can also create opt in forms, both embedded and pop ups, that seamlessly match your website's branding. These forms are GDPR compliant and mobile friendly, making it easier to grow your list in a compliant way. Another key feature is the email builder and campaign design. Sender.net's drag and drop email builder is one of its strongest features. Whether you want to create a weekly newsletter, product update, or flash sale campaign, you can design stunning emails without any coding knowledge. You can choose from pre built templates or create your own using content blocks like text, images, buttons, dividers, social icons, and videos. You can easily adjust padding, font styles, and background colors. Every design you create is mobile responsive, so your messages look great on any device. So once your campaign is ready, use Sender.net's A/B testing to try different subject lines or email content and see which version performs best. Another key feature is the automation workflows. Automation is where Sender.net goes beyond just a simple newsletter tool. Their visual automation builder lets you create smart sequences that trigger based on behavior without requiring a technical background. Triggers include actions like email opens, link clicks, or date based conditions. It's simple but powerful automation that makes sure the right message gets to the right person at the right time. Another key feature is the campaign analytics and performance insights. After you hit send, Sender.net provides you with clear, detailed reports so you can see how your campaigns are performing. You'll get a breakdown of open rates, click through rates, unsubscribes, bounces, and link performance. If you're running an online store, e-commerce tracking shows you how much revenue was generated from each email or automation flow. For marketers who want to refine their strategy, These analytics are essential. You can easily identify which subject lines works best, which emails led to purchases, and which segments are most active, helping you improve every send. Another key feature is the deliverability and platform integrations. Sender.net takes email deliverability seriously. It provides SPF, DKIM, and domain authentication settings to ensure your emails land in the inbox, not in spam. It also gives you tools to manage unsubscribe preferences, complaint handling, and subscriber consent. The API is also available for developers who want to build custom integrations or manage data at scale. So, whether you're using it as a standalone tool or as part of a broader marketing ecosystem, Sender.net is flexible enough to adapt. So, why is Sender.net a great choice in 2025? Sender.net combines simplicity and performance in a way few other platforms in its price range do. With a generous free plan that supports up to 2,500 subscribers and 15,000 emails per month, it's ideal for beginners and growing businesses. You don't need to sacrifice functionality. Features like automation, segmentation, A/B testing, and analytics are included from the start. So, whether you're focused on lead generation, e commerce sales, or brand loyalty, Sender.net gives you the tools to communicate at scale without overcomplicating the process. So basically, if you're looking for an email marketing platform that's easy to use, powerful enough for automation, and budget friendly, Sender.net checks all the boxes. With strong list management, customizable design, actionable insights, and solid deliverability, it's a reliable platform for anyone serious about growing their audience. In 2025, as inbox competition grows, standing out with relevant, beautiful, and timely messages is more important than ever, and Sender.net helps you do exactly that. So try it for yourself, launch your first campaign, and start building meaningful relationships with your subscribers. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.